Country manager of Fidelity Insurance Stanford Charlton says that in the case of his company, the issue is not that the company is unwilling to pay out, but that persons were underinsured and not qualified for full compensation.
When clients come in to insure their homes, we always ask them to give us the replacement cost. And, in our position, we have to take the word of the client. But what we have found after this hurricane, a lot of clients didn't do that. In fact, clients should be getting their houses appraised every 2 to 3 years to make sure they're keeping pace with rebuilding replacement costs, and we found that that's not the case.
In a recent article in the Turks and Caicos Sun, residents were quoted as saying that they were receiving payouts far less than they expected and far less than the cost needed to repair their homes. The article did not name any specific insurance companies, but Charlton wanted the public to know that Fidelity Insurance was not a company guilty of these practices.
Very happy to report that Fidelity, we have settled over 90% of our claims. There will be some claims that are contentious.
Charlton says that it is a practice of insurance companies to encourage clients to insure their properties for the full value. But he says with a higher value comes a higher premium, and not all clients are willing to shell out the extra money.
What clients try to do is obviously, save costs as much as possible. They don't realize that they are costing themselves more after a claim. So, persons try to find a way to minimize the effects of these high economic times right now.
Charlton encourages persons in the future to become familiar with their insurance policies, to know exactly what they're entitled to, and most importantly, to make sure that they're fully insured for the replacement value of their homes. For WIV4 News, I'm Joy Del Trail.